Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to Indian Food Junction. Today I am going to prepare egg fried rice. If you are watching my channel first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start the process. For egg fried rice, I have taken one bowl. Add red chili powder 1 spoon. It is very simple and tasty. Please try it. And half spoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per taste. Add half spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add little bit of water. Mix it well. Now I am going to beat eggs. I have taken 3 eggs. Mix it well. The egg mixture is ready. Now let's take a pan. Add sufficient oil. After heating, add cloves. Add bay leaves. Move it aside. Now pour egg mixture. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now let's turn it. Let it cook. Now do it in a small pieces. To cut like this. I am adding green chilies. Pudina. And half spoon of coriander powder and half spoon of biryani powder. Mix it well. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Egg should be fried well. Fry it well, otherwise we will get egg smell. It's fried well. Now I am going to add rice. If you want, you can use basmati rice too. Mix it. Add little bit of salt. I have mixed it. Now cook it for 2 minutes. I am not using red chili powder in this because I have used 5 green chilies. If you want, you can also use red chili powder. It's perfectly cooked. Now switch off the stove and take in a plate. Egg fried rice is ready. Please try it. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.